Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing in this pretty skinny water for decent sized Murray Cod hopefully. Starting off with the Tackle Tactics twin spin, the red and black. Hopefully we can get some nice fish. Got him. Yep, first cod. Already got a little one. Let's go. Nice tiny Murray cod just here. Got some good patterns on him. Destroyed my lure. Paddle off somewhere just over here. Unhook him and get him back real quick. It's a nice looking Murray cod. Hopefully you got a good angle there. Absolutely swallowed it. It's a bit tangled at the moment, so try and untangle him. Got one hook out. The other hook out. Oh, there we go. A bit bigger than I thought. Maybe around 50 centimeters, 50 centimeter cod. Get him back real quick. Oh, there he goes. Gone. Got him! Yep, right there. Oh, that was a sick eat. Whoa, he's decent cod too. Hopefully I picked that up on camera. Paused it for a second, slowed it down, came up and smashed it. Doesn't look like he's hooked too well though. Oh, that was such a cool bite. Came up and smashed it so well. Don't come off, come on. Let me get you up here. Oh, there we go, that's a nice cod. Look at that lovely cod. Looks like his fin's got a bit of damage there. I reckon he's almost 60. Put him down. I'll get the measuring tape out. Because we're gonna give this one a measure. See how big he is. Hopefully he can sit still for me. It's a freaking nice cod. Be a rough measurement, so won't be exact, but I reckon he's 60 something, maybe almost 60. Oh yeah, look at that. Hopefully you guys see he's 59 centimeters roughly, probably 60 when he's fully stretched out. Jeez, these cod don't sit still. Got the hook out of him. Give you a show. It's a nice cod, bit of damage, but 60 centimeters, super fat. Look at him. It's a freaking nice cod. Get some underwater. This guy. There's a bloody nice cod, bloody ripper. Oh! Oh, that was a nice cod. Oh, damn, that was a nice cod. Oh, he came out and smashed it. No, I can't believe I missed him. That was such a nice cod. Got it. Oh, no. No. Oh, that was a nice fish. I think the camera would have picked that up. That was such a nice fish. Definitely felt the hooks in that one. Oh, there's a cod. You guys probably didn't see that, but there was a cod followed my lure out. You guys, the camera definitely wouldn't have picked that up. Shit. It was a real little cod. Came out and followed it. Didn't bite it. Got him. Oh, yes. This is a nice fish. Oh, picked that up on camera too. That was such a cool bite. Oh, hopefully you guys saw him come up and smash that. That's such a nice cod. Oh, let's go. That is such a nice cod. Holy, swallowed that. That is a big cod. It's a slob. That is so, oh my God, that's a nice cod. Such a nice cod. It's just a beast. Oh yes, look at the size of that. That's a huge cod. That's got to be pushing 70, 75 even. Holy, that's a beast. Try and get a measure on him. Button down on my finger. It's gonna be hard, but we'll give it a go. Oh yeah, pushing 70 I reckon. A bit hard to measure him like this though. Sitting on a kayak. That's such a nice cod. Holy crap. We're gonna call him 70, but it's hard to measure him. Try, come on, just give me a good measure. There we go. Okay, he's roughly 70 because he's got a bit of bend there. That's just such a nice cod. Look at the size of it. Oh my God, it's a beast. We'll get the hooks out. We'll get the hooks out and put him back. Swallowed my lure. Going crazy. Oh, it came out itself. These cod do not like to sit still. Come on, mate, open your mouth. Oh, shredding me up. Just come on, these cod hate sitting still apparently. Okay, look at that. Absolute beast. 70 centimeters. Won't get released because it's a bit murky, this water. But it's gone. That's a lovely cod. Got him, yep. Oh, dropped him, no! No! Oh, damn. That was a nice fish. No, I can't believe I just dropped that. He's not coming back today. Oh, look at that. Snapped it. Clean. Snapped it off. Must have had it right on the spinnerbait. Can't believe he snapped me off. That's crazy. Look at that. Used to have two, now it's got one. That nice cod just snapped me off and I lost it. Damn. Oh, that was a fish. Just got a nice little hit in there. Not sure how big it was, but I saw the boil. Got him, yep. Yes. Paused it, they love that. These cod, oh, this one's a good fighter. The cod love it when you reel it and then pause it for a second. They'll come up and smash it. Just on the pause when you like let it sink for a little bit, and they'll come up and just smash it so hard. Just like this guy. Pretty nice one. Pretty nice one too. Not too big. Real, probably 40 centimeters, I reckon. Could be a bit less, could be a bit more, but I'm not sure. Loving this spinnerbait. There we go. Nice little one. Gone. Oh! Big cod. Oh no, just missed it. Barely missed it. That was a big, that was a big cod. I doubt he'll come back. He probably saw my foot in the kayak. Right at the top, just came up, swiped it, but he missed. Got him, yep, on. Oh, I saw him come out and grab that. Did the pause again. They love it. Going crazy for it. Already had about 4 casts in that exact spot. Didn't catch any, so I came around, I guess. It's about the angles for this guy. Nice little one. Reckon he's 55, pushing 60, maybe a bit less. Put him down, give him a little measure real quick. Oh, I know, a bit bigger than I thought. 62 roughly, could be a bit bigger. Measured him on a dodgy little surface there. Swallowed my lure. Got him unhooked. There he is, 62 centimeters. Lovely little cod. Gone. Let's go. Got, oh. I just had a nice hit, but I had the rod up. Wasn't paying enough attention. Oh. Camera probably picked that up, but little cod came out, tried to hit it, just barely missed. No. Got him. Yep. Oh, he's only little, but I got him. Smashed that one. Absolutely smashed it. Just check I'm recording. Yep. That's a really nice cod. Got some nice colours on him. Destroyed my lure. Okay. 35-40 centimeters. Nice baby cod. There he goes, and he's off. Now that I've caught 6 cod already, I'm gonna change over to a top water lure. Hopefully we can get some boofs on that one. Just finished up fishing, caught 6, which is pretty good, especially for this area. One was 70, which is a nice size cod around here. Took about 4.5 hours. Didn't manage to get any on the top, but hopefully we can get some on the surface next time. See you guys in the next video.